What if testosterone spikes gave you temporary super strength? Imagine a world where testosterone wasn't just a hormone influencing mood, muscle growth, or confidence, but a volatile power source. A sudden spike wouldn't merely make your heart race or your focus sharpen. It would unlock strength far beyond human limits for a few intense minutes. In moments of extreme stress, rage, fear, competition, the body would flip a hidden switch. Muscles would harden like coiled steel cables. Bones would briefly reinforce themselves. You could lift a car off a trapped stranger, punch through a wall, or sprint faster than any athlete alive. History would be full of impossible feats, explained not by myth but by biology. But power like that wouldn't come free. These strength surges would be unpredictable. Arguments, humiliation, jealousy, or even excitement could trigger them. Cities would design buildings with impact-resistant zones. Sports would ban emotional provocation as performance enhancement. Courts would debate a new defense. It wasn't assault, it was a hormonal event. Society would quickly split. Some people, those with naturally higher or more reactive testosterone, would be seen as walking hazards. Others would try to exploit it. Black market drugs wouldn't aim to build muscle slowly, but to cause controlled hormonal explosions. A new kind of addiction would emerge, chasing the rush of godlike strength, no matter the damage afterward. Because afterward, the cost would hit. Torn muscles, microfractures in bones, extreme exhaustion. A body not meant to handle what it just did. Super strength would be brief, but recovery could take weeks. People would learn to fear their own emotions, not because feelings are dangerous, but because feeling too much could level a room. Ironically, the strongest people wouldn't be the most violent, but the most disciplined. Monks, soldiers, and trained athletes would master emotional control to decide when to be unstoppable. True power wouldn't be in the surge itself, but in the restraint before it. In that world, anger wouldn't just be unhealthy, it would be catastrophic.